Good morning from Quarantine Central. Here is your last assignment for the week because, as far as I know, we're going to be live on Thursday. So, unless something happens between now and then, I will see you guys on Thursday. So, here's the deal. You watch the video on how to complete the assignment. You're doing that right now. Congratulations, you nailed it. Complete Foraging Wrap-Up assignment. So, this is going to be kind of our culminating activity. And it's right here. If you click on this, you will get. Well, I can't do it because it won't let me do it because I created it. But anyway, you'll get this. Okay, it's gonna say it's a quiz. It's only a quiz because that's the only way I could put points on each one. Each one of these questions is worth 3 points. You're gonna type a couple sentences, whatever you need to for each one. But you need to do a great job on it because it's 3 points each. There's 6 questions, so you are going to get up to 18 points on this. It's kind of like a mini test. But here's the deal: use your assignments, use everything we learned, use your notes, use the assignment we had yesterday about foraging lifeways. Use everything you can to answer these questions. They have to be based on what you learned. So, for instance, what particular skills would be needed for Paleolithic humans to be able to successfully hunt? You better answer that question for Paleolithic humans. I better see some specific material that shows me you understood what it was like to be a hunter during Paleolithic times. Okay? I don't want to see you got to be able to make a really good tree blind, and you got to be able to put out a good bait pile. No, that's modern hunting. Different. I think bait piles are still illegal, right? Anyway, okay? Successfully gather each one of these answers. You have to justify your answer. You get no points for your answer. 0 points. Okay? So I ask you, which activity would be safer, hunting or gathering? You get no points for saying hunting or gathering. You get all your points for telling me what you learned that suggests that hunting would be safer, or what you learned that suggests gathering would be safer. Okay? And that's the same for every question. Okay? So take your time. Bring in stuff. Okay? Show me you learned something. Okay? Just having an opinion gets you 0 points. 0 points. Okay? Backing it up, showing me that you learned something, showing me you know stuff, gets you up to 3 points per question. Okay? So there is no other assignment today. There's a 3-minute video, and then there's answering these questions carefully, and then I hope to see you on Thursday. Okay? Any questions, as always, email me. That's what I'm here for. Have a good one.